Hello guys, welcome to the first lesson of the course Pinterest Marketing Hero. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what is Pinterest. Let's get started. Pinterest is a social media platform that is mostly used by people who are searching for visual content to discover new ideas, get inspiration, or learn something from. It was designed to discover information using images, GIFs, or videos. You can search for any keyword on its platform, and you can discover tons of search results related to your keyword. Pinterest is more appealing to a large group of women who are looking for products that they can purchase online. You can search for products in any niche, and you can find products from different sites that offer the products that you are looking for. Pinterest allows its users to share images, GIFs, and videos. These are called pins. It connects everyone by the things that they find interesting. Same as other social media platforms, Pinterest is a place where friends connect with each other and follow brands. People prefer looking at photos or watching videos, so you can create images as pins that are related to your blog post, and you can easily attract more audiences to your blog site, increasing your website traffic. If you're a new Pinterest user, you can collect images that you can find interesting from the pins that you have discovered inside a platform, or even images that you have discovered from different websites. Pinterest has its own unique feed. The images or videos that you will see on your feed are based on your recent searches and viewed pins. Your home feed is a section where you can discover visual content from topics related to your keyword searches. Also, these are pins saved by people you follow and topics or boards that you also follow. The pins that you can see on your home feed are related to these pins. Most pins that you will see here are the visual content that interests you. The following feed is the section where you can discover the latest ideas saved or uploaded by the people you follow. This also applies to the brands you follow. The pins that you will see on this feed are chronologically arranged, so whenever you refresh this feed or click on the following tab, these pins will be updated with the latest pin saved or uploaded by the accounts that you follow. Today tab. This tab is a curated set of ideas that are trending. Take note that the Today tab is only available in a few countries. Check out the Today tab availability on Pinterest to see if your country is on the list. You can even tune your home feed to edit your preference and change things up. You can easily find that in the section and choose Tune Your Home Feed. It shows you all your boards, the last 3 months of your activity history, and the topics that you follow. You also have the option to turn these off. Let's look at some terminologies that you can encounter on Pinterest. It has its own lingo that you must be aware of, especially if you're going to promote your brand, website, or e-commerce store in your Pinterest account. Pinterest users are called pinners since they use pins inside the platform. Pins are the term used to refer to images, GIFs, or videos that you can discover on Pinterest. If you gather the pins based on the category that they belong to, you can save them together inside a board. A board is like a folder where you can save all your pins. If you want to save pins that are owned by other Pinterest users, that is called repinning. Pinterest is a great platform to look for ideas for recipes, inspiration, or home improvement. It works like Google, but it gives you search results of visual content referred to as pins rather than articles. Now that you know what Pinterest is, we can now proceed to the next topic. How does Pinterest work for business? I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.